Hello guys, and welcome back to the video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to check hidden purchases on your iPhone. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First, open the App Store on your device. Once you're inside, tap on your profile picture in the top right corner. Now, tap on your profile again to access your account settings. Here, scroll down a bit and you'll find an option called Hidden Purchases. Go ahead and tap on it. Once you open it, you'll be able to see all the apps that you've previously hidden from your purchase history. From here, you can also unhide apps if you want them to appear again in your App Store history. And that's it. This is how you can easily check your hidden purchases on iPhone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more useful tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.